Is your iPhone alarm failing to ring when you need it most, leaving you in a morning panic? Let's get your iPhone alarm working again by troubleshooting the most common culprits, ensuring you'll never miss an important wake-up call. First, let's confirm your alarm is actually set up correctly. Open the clock app, tap on Alarm, and make sure the alarm you intend to use is toggled on, and that it's set for the correct time and days. While you're here, check the snooze option if it's enabled, and you've accidentally hit snooze. The alarm might appear to not be working if you didn't hear it the first time. Next, we need to check your iPhone's overall volume and notification settings. Go to your iPhone's settings app, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, make sure the volume slider for ringer and alerts is turned up. If this is all the way down, any alarm sound will be silent. Also, ensure that Change with Buttons is toggled on. This allows you to adjust alarm and ringer volume using the physical side buttons on your iPhone. Now, let's dive into notification settings. For the clock app, go back to Settings and tap on Notifications. Scroll down and find the clock app, tap on it, and ensure that Allow Notifications is toggled on. Without this, your alarm won't even attempt to display a notification if it's set to do so. Within the clock notification settings, make sure at least one of the alert styles is enabled, such as Lock Screen, Notification Center, or Banners. This ensures you get a visual cue an alarm is sounding, even if the audio is somehow muted. A major cause of silent alarms can be the Do Not Disturb feature. Go back to Settings and tap on Focus. Tap on Do Not Disturb if it's active. It might be silencing your alarms. You can either toggle it off entirely or configure it to allow alarms to allow alarms. Go to the Allowed Notifications section and ensure Alarms is listed, or that no apps are restricted from sending notifications while this focus is active. If none of these solutions work, a simple restart often resolves software glitches. Go to Settings, then General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Shut Down. Slide to power off your iPhone. Wait about 30 seconds, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Finally, as a last resort, you can try deleting and recreating the alarm. Go back to the clock app, swipe left on the problematic alarm, and tap Delete. Then tap the plus icon to create a brand new alarm, ensuring all settings are correct. With these steps, your iPhone alarm should be reliably waking you up on time. If you're still experiencing issues, consider contacting Apple support.